Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best Galaxy Watch 5 Pro cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The most recent and greatest watch on the market is Samsung's 45mm Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. However, you need one of these fantastic Watch 5 and 5 Pro cases in your life if you want to safeguard your brand new Android smartwatch. Replace the default casings with something more attractive, useful, or distinctive. There are already a ton of covers to pick from despite the fact that Samsung only recently launched these watches. I have prepared this video guide for the best Galaxy Watch 5 Pro cases, so let's get started. 4. Ringke Slim. The Ringke Slim Matte Black case for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro 45mm is slim and lightweight, making it ideal for daily wear. It is intended for effortless style and comfort. Shields from dust, impacts, and dings. With the ideal case from Ringke, extend the life of your Galaxy Watch. Ringke Slim is built of polycarbonate to stay slim and light so you can go about your daily activities without feeling constrained by your accessories. The case is comfortable to wear and secure to use every day while providing excellent bumper protection, thanks to its soft edges and smooth surface. The Galaxy Watch's unique structure and sturdy design and craftsmanship combine for an eye-catching, distinctive aesthetic. It is the ideal smartwatch case for people of all ages and genders because it comes in a variety of colors to best suit your style and personality. 3. Caseology Vault. With the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, 45mm, Caseology Vault casing, users can expect high shock deflection in the event of a fall. The textured grip on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, 45mm, keeps it securely in your hand. Durable and trustworthy protection with a simple, flexible design that incorporates strong, contemporary elements. You will enjoy the smooth feeling of a rugged body with a sandstone texture on your wrist. For added security, the watch's display is surrounded by a raised ring. A military-grade protection that is certified and compatible with screen protectors. 2. Ringke Air Sports. This watch is compatible with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro 45mm and Ringke Air Sports, not for the Galaxy Watch 5 40mm and 44mm. Your smartphone is protected from ugly scratches by this case that absorbs shock. Slim, light, and form-fitting cases are ideal for your gadget. With Air Sports, all buttons and connections can be accessed without removing the casing. No need to remove the case for wireless charging and power sharing. 1. Spigen Liquid Air Armor. Designed with exact button cutouts, it is compatible with BIA body composition measurement and heart rate monitoring features. Matte finish gives streamlined design a modern look. Rounded bezels increase screen protection. Specially designed for Samsung's 45mm Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, this strap is slim and form-fitting for fast response to buttons. So guys, this was the video about the best Galaxy Watch 5 Pro cases 2022. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.